Hello and welcome to Main Street Party of 4. Today we are heading over to EPCOT so we can check out the new adult-only bar at Spaceship Earth GEO 82. Come on along.
Welcome home!
Alright, so here we go into Project Tomorrow, but no, that's not where we're going. We're going to GEO 82. We checked in with the first cast member, now we're gonna go up the stairs.
Hello, good morning, welcome in. How are you?
Good, and you?
Not too bad. Would you like a tranquility scented hand towel?
Thank you.
Yes, of course. Hello. Thank you. Congratulations as well. Thank you. You have the silver bed right over here. Because they were how did you find just relax and still log into the party party game. But yes, I think it was they were a bit more.
The artwork in here is really cool.
Yeah.
Some really good bourbons in here. Wow. And do a little walk around here so we can get a look at the whole bar. Really nice little lounge. An incredible, absolutely incredible skirt set selection.
I didn't know that.
There's
The two people out there, we didn't know that. And been here multiple times. Listen, the guy said,
our server just brought us over some champagne since it's our 50th anniversary. So here you go, Rennie. All right, first up we have the charcuterie board. And our drinks will be coming shortly, but it looks like we've got some prosciutto and some salami and some honeycomb.
Fig jam.
Some fig jam. Yeah, let's get into this.
So the charcuterie is a chef selection, and we have definitely one blue cheese and one kind of stinky cheese and one real soft cheese. And the real soft cheese is absolutely incredible.
Arrived. Renee got the
Peach Shrub Whiskey Smash, Toki Suntory Whiskey, Mescal, Amontillado Sherry, Peach and Mint Shrub, and Bubbles.
You know, part of the fun is getting these drinks is having Renee say the ingredients, but it also came with a little
Shortbread cookie with some mascarpone and some peach jam, I believe, on it.
All right, and I got
The Electron. Fresh, it says fresh, earthy, and we'll have your taste buds buzzing. See
it
Mescal.
doesn't matter.
Carrot, cinnamon, lime, Hella Cocktail Company orange bitters, and pink peppercorn.
So there we go.
I mean, I don't really taste a lot of peach.
I do taste peach and mint. It almost tastes mojito-y.
Yeah, maybe that's. Yeah. Yeah, probably because of the mint. It's mojito.
Very refreshing, though.
Yeah.
Very smooth, very nice. All right, the drinks are empty. The charcuterie's gone. So that's going to do it from GEO 82. Man, I really enjoyed it up here. We had some nice folks sitting next to us. We had a nice conversation. You get a really cool view of the park while you're sitting here. This is really a place I can see us coming to whenever we're here without the kids.
Coming in the evening, it would be good as well to see all the lights of it.
I think it'd be really nice. But that's going to do it. So we're going to say goodbye. And you know how we like to close things out. Don't forget to share the magic.
Main Street Party of 4.